So let's quickly do some customization to our blog. Yo, so this is how my blog looks present. Site identity. So I need a site icon and a site logo. Should I do that now? Do that later. Let me quickly. Background color. I will. Let me see how it will look like if I change the background color. Oh no. I think I like it how it is before. So I just leave it the way it is before. Home page setting. Latest post. Yeah, theme option. This year I'm actually trying to come. Header option. I love to enable header top section. Yeah, well, I love to enable the social icon. I would love to enable top header name. Alright, I'll just publish from here. Alright, so let me add some posts. Add new post. Alright, I'll make my first post. How to make money in Nigeria as a student. I already have some write-up which I just copy and paste as the case is. So I just paste some write-ups I have already because you know all these things, or you should know all these things by now. Feature image, set featured image, and let me just go and find an image I can use. Let's go to pictures. Just use this. Yeah, set featured image. I have not created categories, that's true. So I just leave that for now. I'll enter some tags. Ensure this is part of your tag. Your headline. Money making Nigeria student. ASU University student. So just write tags that relates to your post, stuff like that. Software, you can write as many as possible. Skill, trade, and publish. So you have published your first site. So this is us. So anyway, these are my first post. So we will continue from there. Go and add as many posts as possible. In further class, we will customize the menu, categories, and all those stuffs, and see where to go from there. But ensure you're adding as many posts as possible till we meet.